Hey everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. We've got another Kia Soul for you today. We like these. They're great news, fantastic value, and actually really pleasant to drive. This one's a 1.6 CRDi automatic model. It is the Tempest model, so it's one of the special editions, quite well spec'd. Comes with a nice 18-inch wheels, got the gloss black mirrors and trims, etc. This one's done 57,000 miles. It's got 10 services with it. It's just had brand new discs and pads all around, 4 spanking new tyres. As you know by now, we prep our cars properly. We're not always the cheapest, but we do go through our cars and make sure that they are prepped as well as they can be. It's a lovely looking car, very clean. No dings or anything like that. One or two stone chips on the bonnet, but minute. I'm being super picky. And there is a small scratch I've just spotted just here that's been touched in. But it doesn't really stand out. Cracking car. Inside, all very clean and tidy. These load covers don't have strings for some reason. But yeah, you've got your parcel shelf there and your split load floor that you get in the Kia Soul. Just a bit tricky doing it one-handed whilst holding the camera, I apologise. No nasty smells, no signs of dog, etc. And you do have split roll folding rear seats. It's got the black Soul Shine cloth, which is an optional extra. And you do get ISOFIX in the rear and rear electric windows. All very clean, all freshly valeted, no stains or anything like that. And in the front, of course, we've got the same style interior. Again, all lovely and clean, smelling fresh, with no nasty stains. Electric windows all around, electric mirrors, cruise control, multi-function steering wheel. I've said cruise control, but this one's not got it, I do apologise. It's just multi-function steering wheel. I'm going to start the car now for you. You'll see, just start without fault. That's the first start of the day. This car's been sat overnight. We've actually just put 4 new glow plugs in it as well. Forgot about that. So no starting issues or anything. These are quite common for glow plug failures. If you're looking at one elsewhere, make sure it's had recent glow plugs. But as you can see, the mileage is 57,653. We've got your Bluetooth stereo in the centre with your CD and your auxiliary input and your aircon. Cup holders in the centre. Handbooks are in there. Auto dipping mirror. And that about concludes this video. I think this might be a one owner. I can't remember off the top of my head. It'll be in the advert if it is. It certainly will be low owners. As I say, really nice car, good example, better than the others on the market. I've already checked. Give us a call, get involved, 01509 267 111. Finance can be available or can be arranged. We work with a number of lenders to find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.